Hey guys, this is Michael from the Michael Pinchak Show and the Horology Movement. Today we're going to be unboxing the Timex Q reissue 38 millimeter stainless steel bracelet. It comes like this. This outer box got beat up a bit, but no big deal. This is the real box here. You can see it says Timex. I got this from Teddy Baldassarre. Another box in here. Just got this the other day in the mail. Also says Timex. Let's open it up and let's get it staying the right way. And there it is. The Timex Q reissue 38 millimeter. I went with the blue dial and the blue and red bezel. So it still has the tag on it and everything. Now, there's an inscription inside. Let's just read that quickly. A reissue 40 years in the making. First released in 1979. Our original diver-inspired Q Timex gave a new generation a modern Timex watch with quartz technology. A true reissue, we recreated every detail, including the true-to-the-era woven stainless steel bracelet, functional battery hatch, rotating top ring, luminescent paint, and ticking inside is a modern quartz movement. This watch came out in the 1970s, as I said, 1979, during the quartz crisis. And basically, I have seen ads for this watch on my Instagram, probably from Teddy Baldassarre, over and over, and I just loved the look of the blue dial and the blue and red bezel, so I had to have it. So let's get it out of here quick. Just set it right on here. Now, you see there's a little tab here. You lift this up and out, and then inside is your booklet. And I'll just put that back just like that. All right, let's close that up. Now, you can see there is the battery hatch on the back. The bezel's covered in plastic. It still has the tag on it. Let me see if it has the price. This is, I should have looked it up. This watch is less than $200. Definitely less than $200. And let's see if we can get this plastic off quick. If not, I'll just move on to the... All right, so this has a very interesting clasp. Oh, there's plastic on the bracelet as well. All right. I'll worry about getting the plastic off the case later. Sorry, I sliced my thumb. Sliced it open. Let's see if it just fits me right out of the box. Let's just see. And that is a big no. So how do you adjust this kind of bracelet? It has a very unique self-adjusting deployment here. So I will, let's see if we can do it right now. If not, I'll do some edits. Oh, you got to pop this. You see this right here? You got to pop that up. And that allows this bracket to move. And I need to move it this way. Oh boy, they're not making this easy. I'm gonna break my nail trying to do it. All right, give me 1 minute. I'll be back. I'm gonna adjust this and then show you. All right, so now we are going to adjust this band to fit my wrist. I got my handy dandy watch repair kit that I got off Amazon. While I was trying to do this, I actually broke one of the screwdrivers. What you're going to do is there's this little hole on this piece right here. And you're going to take a screwdriver, put it in that hole, and like a lever, push back. And I'm wondering if that's not strong enough. I'm wondering if I just don't have a tool strong enough. No, that's too wide. Obviously it's tight because when you're wearing the watch, you don't want it to come apart. And I gotta tell you, none of my devices here in this kit are doing the job. They're not strong enough. Man, holy heck. Give me 1 second. And I feel like I'm scratching the watch up while trying to achieve this. There we go. Took a screwdriver to do it. Now you can see that this piece here, this bracket, can easily go back and forth. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to pick a spot at random, close it, see how that is. I like my watches tight. I don't like them to move around. And there it is, the Timex Q. Also, I got most of the plastic off. The only plastic left to take off is on the face here, on the crystal. So that is now off as well. All right, so I got it sized, got it out of the box. Now we're going to take a closer look. All right, so here's a bit of a closer up view of the Timex 38mm Q. Like I said, I got the blue dial and the blue and red bezel. It has this woven stainless steel strap, and this is that little hole I was talking about right there. You see that hole there? You just put a screwdriver in there or something, pop it up, and this becomes very easily adjustable. Right here on the clasp, you can see these two little hooks. They hook into this bar, and that's how you clasp the watch. There it is. So a lot of people have a lot of extra of this. I have a large wrist, so I don't. There are ways to remove these. You can watch other videos to go through that. I don't want to do it since I've already adjusted it to my wrist. You can see on the back, you have that battery hatch. It does say Movement Japan, strap China, stainless steel, water resistant, 50mm. Guys, this is a gorgeous watch for the price, under $200. Absolutely wonderful. I think it looks great on my wrist. I think it'd be good for anyone who wants a cool diver's watch look. They have a bunch of different versions. I love blue, so I went with the blue dial and the blue and red. Absolutely love it. I got it again from Teddy Baldassarre.com. The Timex Q reissue, 40 years in the making. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Head over to tmpspodcast.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, share, hit the bell, all that good stuff. And we'll see you next time.